Thanks for checking out the Artemis Channel. Clint's playing with his raven here in a tree in the square in Jackson.
Quack, quack.
Hey, Steve, how did you get that shot of that moose?
Well, let me tell you, buddy.
Ange and I recently had a chance to head out west to Montana and Wyoming to check off a bucket list trip and hit Yellowstone National Park and Grand Teton. After exploring Yellowstone for 6 days, Ange and I headed south to Jackson, where we got to explore the Grand Teton National Park, as well as catch up with our friends Clem and Wendy. As first-time visitors to the park, we wanted to hit the usual scenic spots and scope out a place for sunrise, which naturally led us to Schwabacher's Landing. For those who don't know, Schwabacher Landing is one of those iconic spots that everybody seems to go to at sunrise, and it's busy there pretty much all the time. Little did we know when we got there that we were going to be getting a chance to hang out with a cow moose and her new calf. So what started out as a fact-finding recon mission turned into probably the highlight of our vacation, as we got to watch this cow moose and her baby feed for probably an hour, hour and a half. She had hid her calf over here in the long grass while she fed, which gave me an opportunity to kind of plan my next move when the two of them were next to each other. So her having that baby set over there in the long grass gave me an opportunity to kind of think about how I wanted my eventual artwork to look, if it was going to be landscape or portrait. Luckily enough, she wasn't going anywhere and the baby was hiding, so that gave me a real opportunity to kind of not only think about what I wanted this image to look like, but also to just kind of enjoy what was happening, because this is just really a unique opportunity for me to see a moose and her baby at this particular spot. I just thought it was wild. So it didn't take long for that baby to get bored and decided he was going to go for a little walk, and it was going to be showtime, and it was going to be time for me to be prepared to get the shot that I wanted. So he milled around for a little while, but you know, they were both facing away from me, and while I was going to have to take what I was going to get, I was really hoping I wasn't going to end up with a moose-ass shot in front of the Tetons. Everything kind of worked out for us on this trip, as sure enough, the baby came back and Mama got turned around and I was ready to get the shot I wanted to get. Both of them facing me with the Tetons in the background and the beautiful greenery there at Schwabacher Landing. It was just an amazing day. And to top off all of it, at the end of our experience there, she decided to nurse him a little bit before heading back into the woods. Overall, it was an amazing experience, and it's not something I'm ever going to forget. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little 3 or 4 minute video on my experience, or our experience, with the cow moose and her baby at Schwabacher Landing. If you did, hit that subscribe button, check out some of our other videos, and hope you'll stick around, and we'll see you guys next time. Lots more Yellowstone content coming your way. Grand Teton too. This is the Teton, Steve.